Today on David AI World, I'm going to show you a super easy way to make high-quality videos in just 5 minutes. And the best part? You can earn up to $30 a day. If you're into cool AI tools, make sure to hit that subscribe button now. And don't skip this video. One small detail could be the key to everything. I'll guide you through every single step. Just follow along on your screen. Super easy. Step 1. Visit the VideoGen website. First, open your browser and go to https videogen.io/via=8 Just click the link I've placed in the video description below, then log in as usual, or create a new account by following the instructions. This is the official link from the company. Step 2. Choose Sign Up or Log In. If you don't have an account yet, just click Sign Up in the top right corner. I recommend logging in with Google. It's faster and you won't have to remember another password. Zero 110. Create a video from any keyword. Step 3. Enter your topic. Keyword. Once you're on the homepage, just type in the keyword you want to make a video about. For example, I want to make a video called Secrets of People Who Work Less But Succeed More. So I just type that in. Then the AI suggests several titles and outlines. Just pick the one that matches your idea best. Step 4. Choose your video length. You can choose 300 words, 600 words, or customize the length. If you're just starting, go with the short version. It's easier to test and upload. 146. Choose language plus voiceover. Step 5. Pick your language. VideoGen supports multiple languages like English, Spanish, Portuguese. Just pick English if you're making content for a global audience. Step 6. Choose your voiceover. You can choose either male or female voice. They offer a bunch of options.
Welcome to the future.
Choose a voice that suits your audience best. I usually go with a warm female voice. It feels more natural and friendly. 23. Edit the script if you want. After the system generates the video draft, you can edit anything you want. Something sounds off? Just fix it. Want to add a personal story or a call to action? Go ahead and drop it in. Want a more playful or more serious tone? Totally your call. Bottom line, you're in full control before hitting publish. 258. Generate the final video. Once you're happy with everything, just click Create Video. Then VideoGen will automatically combine voiceover, visuals, and your script. All done for you. It only takes a few minutes to get your final video.
Some people seem to achieve remarkable success while working fewer hours than others. Their secret lies not in working harder, but in working smarter. They prioritize their most important tasks, delegate whenever possible, and set clear boundaries to avoid burnout. By focusing on results rather than hours spent, they maximize productivity and creativity. They also make time for rest and reflection, understanding that true success comes from balance, strategic thinking, and consistently making choices that align with their goals.
You can download it in HD or even 4K, depending on what you need. If you want to start your YouTube journey smart and stress-free, VideoGen is one of the best tools I've used. Imagine hitting millions of views without ever touching a camera. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. David AI World has tons more awesome AI tool tutorials coming your way, helping you work smarter, not harder.